Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here at Zach's Outdoors. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a farm tour, and let's get into it. Well, I'm just walking up right now, but you're going to see one of the ponies. They have 4, but they only have 3 at the moment. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so we're here with the ponies right here. That is the baby. The mom is over there. She's coming. There's the little one. It's the oldest, named Picasso. They've got water right here. They get fed hay and grass, but it's pretty simple. Already fed them, so I'm not going to feed them too much. Just there's a piece like that. Okay, and boom. They're very cute and nice. So, oh, a lot of flies. They used to have chickens. It would be in this. Also, there's shade in there. It's where the horses like to sleep and poop. They can go actually all out there. While the chickens are dead, they literally had like 40, but fox ate them all, so that kind of sucks. But they also had a horse, but he got way too old. He was like 22 or 23. Don't even know, but to the cows. Okay guys, so now we're actually walking up towards the cows. So got a big hay bale, got a tractor. Cows are right in here. So right here is their feeding area. Let's see, there's a little cow right there. So here's some cows in the shade. So you can see some tags on them. They do that as little ones so they can track them, because there's lots of farms out here, and just so they don't mix up their cows if they get out. So they feed them hay with this fork. Throw it all across this, poke their little heads through. Okay. So now cows are pretty simple. Got some water right here. I'm gonna actually be showing you guys right now baby cow, and I have to be quieter, but did not scare it. But the mama just won't feed her, so we're feeding her milk 4 times a day. I have to bottle feed it. She's right here, good girl. Hey. Hey, wake up. Got a little water, got some hay over there. Just keeping her away so she doesn't get bullied. Hi. Lots of baby cow. She's quite cute. I think this is gonna wrap it up for this video, and if you guys did like it, please smash that like button and subscribe. I'm trying to post twice a week, but in the comments, comment down some ideas for me to post some videos. So bye guys.